What's up, guys? Today, or tonight, I guess, it is about 3 o'clock in the morning. But I got this rancher and just figured I'd go ahead and start working on it. I was a little bit bored tonight, but they blew the rear U-joint out on the drive shaft, and you can see that it just gave up on them. We're working on this bike for a friend of ours, and I thought this would be a little bit harder job, but it really ain't. It's going pretty smooth so far. All I've done to get that off of the drive shaft was I removed these 2 bolts on each side from the swing arm, then pulled the shock bolt out, and then I took this line apart on the brake line so it would drop down more. But yeah, that's pretty much all you gotta do, and then you just give it a little tap. It'll slide right off of there on both ends. Might be a little hard getting the new one on, but we're gonna figure that out here soon. Probably not tonight, but we'll come back in the morning and get it on there. Now this is, I believe, a 08 Rancher. I think it's like the more rounded body style. Probably seen his better days, but we're gonna get it back together, get it cleaned up real nice for them, get them back on the road riding so they can get back to having fun. Anyways, I will get back to y'all in the morning. I'll be working on it some more, trying to get it back together. We're gonna do an oil change on this thing. We're gonna see if we can clean these plastics up for them. Also, show you a few little tricks on that. We'll see y'all guys in the morning. Alright guys, so we're back. This is night number 2. I decided not to wake up early and do this. I'm just waiting to the next night. And biggest concern I'm gonna have on putting this back together is gonna be getting these 2 to line up good enough so I can get the new U-joint on that we got here. What I'm planning on doing is getting a jack, getting it up under the rear end, putting it on the first side, and then jacking it up till I can get them to meet together. So we'll try that real quick and see how that works out for us. Alright guys, so what I've done, I've got it on both of these splines pretty good. What you gotta do to make it fit so you don't have to unbolt a bunch of unnecessary stuff is on the A-arm on the back, the swing arm, whatever you want to call it, you gotta pull it back a little bit and kind of get it sideways and get that end in a little further. Once you do that, you can jack it up and you can get your bolt holes lined back up. Everything should just slide right together. So we're gonna hope for that. We're about to try that and I'll let y'all know how that works out. Sorry that I can't record all this stuff right now because I'm by myself, but I'll let y'all know exactly what I did to get the job done. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I got it all in there. Wasn't hard at all. All you had to do was just kind of jack it up as you go, kind of line those bolts up. Once you get one bolt in, the other one slides in perfectly. It's really easy. Turn the bike on, put it in gear, let it spin around, make sure everything, no crazy noises or nothing, and put the shock bolt back in, and then put the little brake line thing back on. So far so good. So if you need an easy way to get this done, if you've blown out that on your Rancher, this is the round body style. I think it's like 06 to 013 or something like that. But yeah, if you blow your U-joint out, that's the way to do it. It didn't take long at all. I think I worked on it maybe 30 minutes for 2 nights. Wasn't too bad. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up in the next few days and do an oil change. So stay tuned for that, and we'll get back with y'all. Thanks for watching.